Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I do have a humidity proof, frizz proof silk press routine. We are getting into the warmer months and the more humid months, so I wanted to be sure to give you some options on some products that you can use to keep your hair nice and smooth and frizz free during this humid hot weather. So first I'm going to go in with my Way Detox shampoo just to remove any buildup from my hair. You always want to make sure that your hair is 100% clean of any buildup, any oils before you go in and do a silk press on your hair. This is going to give you the best silk press possible. Now I'm just taking my shampoo brush and just massaging my scalp to remove any type of buildup from my scalp, any dandruff, any buildup, any products. I want that off of my scalp. And if you're new here, I do wash my hair every 3 weeks, and I typically do silk press my hair every 3 weeks as well after I wash my hair. And I don't have any heat damage, as you can see. And I'm just washing out that first shampoo that I did. Next, I'm going to go in with my Design Essentials Honey Cream shampoo. This is a moisturizing, hydrating shampoo. So I'm just adding this step in just to make sure that my hair is properly hydrated after clarifying my hair. And as you can see, the shampoo lathers up very, very well. It always leaves my hair so manageable and soft. I absolutely love this hydrating shampoo. And I did put a rinse on my hair off camera after I did this step before I went in with my rinse out conditioner. And I did use the Aussie Miracle Moist rinse out conditioner. And I used the rinse out conditioner because I am going to go in with my Mika Frizz Me Not. So they do recommend that you use a rinse out conditioner instead of a deep conditioner so that your hair is not weighed down. So that's what I did. And then I did go ahead and rinse the conditioner out of my hair off camera just because I didn't want, I still had the rinse in my hair and I didn't want the rinse to get everywhere. Next, I'm going to go in with the Mika Frizz Me Not. And this is my first time using this product. I did buy it with my own money. So this is going to provide frizz protection for humidity. It's going to give you that smoothness, that manageability, the shine, the softness. And it says for up to 72 hours. It's going to give you that silky shield on the hair to block humidity. So I was sure to work that in, and it is heat activated, so you will have to blow dry this in your hair, or if you wear your hair curly, you'll need to diffuse your hair. So I did go in and I made sure to blow dry my hair just to activate the product in my hair, and I noticed that my hair did dry faster than it normally does when using this product, which I thought was great. And I felt that my hair felt really lightweight, like it had such a lightweight feeling to it. And I did notice that my hair did have less frizz after I used it, which is very good. So I absolutely love this product and I would recommend it. And you know that I would not recommend anything to you ladies if I didn't 100% completely like it, because I'm going to give you the honest details. I bought this with my own money. So yes, I absolutely did love this product. My blow dry turned out so good, as you will see in the end. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Next, I'm going to go in with Amika, the Shield. So this is going to protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can use this on both damp or either dried hair. I did decide to use it on dry hair. But this is going to provide frizz-free hair up to 24 hours. It's going to leave your hair smoother. And I did go ahead and use 390 degrees Fahrenheit on my flat iron, just because the last time that I used heat on my hair, I did go over 400. So I did want to go under 400. So this time I did use my Remington Pearl flat iron to make sure I was flat ironing my hair on 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, so Amika the Shield, I think that it's a good product. My hair just feels so lightweight, and that's what I like. When I do a silk press, I like my hair to be flowy. I like for it to not be weighed down, and these products that I used did just that. I really enjoyed it. Both products I would give a 10 out of 10. Definitely check these out. It's been days later and my hair has not reverted or frizzed, so highly recommend these products. And here are my results. Super silky, super lightweight, super flowy. That is it for today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.